everybody. Welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me here on YouTube. So today is Tuesday, which means it is hashtag Twinchie Tuesday for me. And that is it's a hashtag, should I rather say, that is hosted by Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. Please pop around to her channel. She has so many amazing videos. So I have her link in the description below and in the title of this video, so it's quick, just click on it and it'll take you straight there. And there's other people who are also other crafters, very, very talented people who are also doing Twinchies. So if you click on the hashtag, it'll take you to all those channels. So I decided that I'm going to make myself a keyring, a Twinchie sized keyring, because that is my postbox key, that is my front door key, and I lose them all the time. Oh man, because all it had was this little sort of thumb diameter little ring, and it would fall, it would stay in my pants pocket, my jacket pocket, it will fall down the seats in the car, between the seats. Oh, I'm notoriously losing it. Anyway, so I've taken a little bit of chipboard and I will paint. I do a lot of painting on chipboard, and so it's little pieces of board like this that I glue onto some watercolor paper, and then I paint on it. And I've podged over the final piece just to kind of seal it all in. So here is, let me take off this ring just so we can see the Twinchie for itself. There is the little Twinchie, the roses with the leaves and the branches and that little bee. And then I decided that I would leave the other side blank because the keys are going to be on this side and it'll rub against this side, and I thought it'll probably rub off the design if it came into contact with it too often. So blank on the other side. But if you guys want to stick around for a few more minutes, I will show you how I painted this Twinchie keyring, and maybe it can inspire you. If you're anything like me and you lose your keys all the time, which I do, then maybe give this a try. It was, or honestly, if you don't want to put a keyring on here, you can just put on a tassel, whatever it is that you want to do. But painting on these are super fun. So if you want to stick around for a couple of minutes on the other side of this introduction to this week's Twinchie Tuesday, I will show you how I painted this.